Everyone, I am Dr. Apeksha Tiwari, Assistant Professor of English from KMGG PG College, Badalpur, Gautam Budh Nagar. The topic of my seminar presentation is what I will do for achieving academic excellence at my institution. So, before going to discuss this, I just define what is academic excellence. It is the demonstrative ability to achieve, to perform, and excel in scholastic quality. How can we achieve this academic excellence? So, to achieve this academic excellence, we have to create, first of all, an environment that leads towards gaining this academic achievement, that fosters the development of a community, especially the teaching community. I'm talking about that. So culturally, ethically, socially, they may obtain and fulfilling their careers. So there are certain steps by which we can I can create an environment of academic excellence at my institutions. First of all, I must incline towards the enhancement of my teaching skills, teaching ability, teaching quality. It is the responsibility as a teacher of mine that I must be inclined towards teaching advancement as by engaging myself in lectures, workshops, faculty development programs, symposiums, and many more online and offline programs, so that I may grasp more and more advancement of knowledge, and I may foster this knowledge, deliver this knowledge among my students, so that they may more incline towards their better future, golden future and endeavors. The second thing is that I must make a strategy. I must make a strategy for research programs also. As a faculty of higher education, as I belong to higher education service, so I must be pay attention, pay heed on my research project. I must engage myself for research orientations, as engaging in research projects, and these research projects should not be confined in the boundaries of a limited area, but it must be extended one, as to them I should lack some race, caste, creed, religion, etc., so that more and more outcome may provide through these research programs. If I shall do engage myself in these research scholarly activities, I may contribute more and more objectively for my students. Again, the thing, I must create an environment among the students so that they may learn through societal activities, as they have to perform time to time voluntarily activities by which they may understand the real value of work, and they may make an environment of ethical values as well also. Again, I must make an assessment timely for the betterment, and to see the result of my students' activities. I may ensure the activities of my students by assessing them time to time, and as a faculty of higher education of my institution, I should be inclined for the uses of technology. I should promote these things not only among my students but also for my colleagues as well at my workplace, so that we all make a very healthy environment for the uses, regarding the uses of technologies, modern etc learning programs also. Again, the thing I want to include here, I must be focused on eco-friendly programs, because as time is advancing, people are simply lacking the things behind that, and there is a race among the people. So I must pay heed on this also, so that eco environment may be maintained. Again, thing, I must promote to my students to learning outcomes, as they should also engage themselves through lectures, through symposiums, seminars, because these seminars are fully give an opportunity for the development of their personality. As well, they have to be engaged more and more for their programs, their learning programs also, so that they may learn it through the practice. I should also include my best teaching practices for the students that I must adopt I must refine my teaching uses, my practices, my strategies, and I must not leave any point of communication gaps among my students, because the more and more I may communicate with them, I should start the many more things related to as mentoring of my students, as counseling of my students, so that they may contribute and they may come to me without any step of hesitations, because I just want to myself establish as a faculty who can contribute in a very objective way for the best of my institutions. Thank you very much.